Hello, my name is Yusua Radityo Pradana, a student from Actuarial Science STMA Trisakti with PIN 241440003. Today, I would like to share with you a timeless fairy tale that many of us grew up with. It's a story filled with magic, kindness, jealousy, and bravery. A tale that reminds us that true beauty comes from her. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a kind and gentle queen who longed for a child. One winter's day, while she was sewing by the window, she pricked her finger as 3 drops of blood fell into the snow and covered the windowsill. She was whispered, "I wish for a daughter with skin as white as snow, lips as red as blood, and hair as black as ebony." Not for long after, her wish came by true. A baby girl was born and they named her Snow White. But sadly, the queen did not live long. After the birth, the king soon remarried, and the new queen was beautiful, but vain and cruel. She had a magic mirror and often asked, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of one of all?" The mirror always answered, "You, my queen, you are the fair, but it's true. Snow White is still fairer than you." Jealous and furious, Queen reordered a huntsman to take Snow White into the forest and kill her. But the kind-hearted huntsman couldn't do it. He let her go and told her to run far away. Deep in the forest, Snow White found a cozy little cottage. Inside, everything was small and tidy. It belonged to 7 dwarfs who worked in the nearby mine. When they came home, they were surprised to find a girl fell asleep in their beds. Snow White explained her story, and the dwarf kindly let her stay, warning her, "Be careful, the queen might come to looking for you." Meanwhile, the weak queen asked her mirror again, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of one of all?" And then the mirror replied, "Snow White, who dwells with the dwarf and still the fairest of one them all." The queen was furious and disguised herself as an old peddler woman and visited the cottage. 3 times she tried to trick Snow White with a tight corset, a poisoned comb, and finally a shiny red poisoned apple. Snow White took one bite of an apple and fell into the deep sleep as if dead. The dwarfs were heartbroken. They placed her in a glass coffin in the forest. One day, Prince who had heard of her beauty came to visit. When he saw her, he was moved by her gentle face. He leaned down and kissed her. Suddenly, Snow White's eyes were fluttered open. The spell was broken. The dwarf cheered with the joy, and the prince asked Snow White to come with him to his kingdom, and she agreed. They were soon married in a grand celebration. And as for the weak queen, well, she met her end, and never again troubled anyone. And so, Snow White and the prince lived happily ever after. And this is the end. The story of Snow White teaches us several important lessons. The first one, true beauty comes from within. The Snow White was loved not only because of her appearance, but because of her kindness, honesty, and gentle heart. Jealousy and vanity lead to destruction. The evil queen's obsession with being the fairest of all blinded her and led her to downfall. And the third one, kindness is always rewarded. Snow White's kind nature won the hearts of the dwarf, the animals, and even the prince, proving that the goodness attracts goodness in return. Evil cannot triumph forever, no matter how powerful or cunning the queen was. Her cruelty couldn't defeat the truth, love, and justice at the end. So, that's the moral of the story. Thank you for watching, and see you.